So to solve for this, we are going to use this equation. Molarity is equivalent to moles of solute over the volume of the solution in liters. Okay, so it should be in liters. So for A, we have molarity, we have the mass. We have 38.2 grams of the solute, KCl. So how do we convert this to moles? So remember, the molar mass, if we could solve the molar mass, we will multiply the inverse of the molar mass of KCl to get the number of moles. So that means the molar mass of KCl is 74.55 grams per mole, okay? And then our volume is said to be 0.925 liters. So that means molarity is equivalent to 0.554 unit is moles.